Imagine space filled with dense air, like Earth's thick atmosphere, stretching infinitely far beyond our small planet's boundaries slowly. If that were true, the moon would be surrounded by a visible gaseous halo, significantly altering its normal appearance instantly always. The International Space Station would experience significant atmospheric drag, slowing its orbit considerably over a relatively short period. Astronauts on the ISS would need to carefully account for complex weather patterns and varying air resistance levels daily. Spacecraft entering Earth's atmosphere wouldn't burn up suddenly. They'd fly smoothly like planes through incredibly thick surrounding air. The concept of space as a complete vacuum would be entirely obsolete, drastically changing our understanding entirely forever suddenly. Galaxies and stars would still shine bright, but the interstellar medium around them would be significantly different and altered cosmically. Air in space would actually mean there's a medium for sound waves to travel through, changing everything we thought. Cosmic events like massive supernovae would produce incredibly loud audible sounds, not just dazzling visual spectacles in space. The notion of silent space would be a complete myth always, as sound waves propagated freely everywhere continuously. Spacecraft propulsion systems would require significant redesigns to accommodate substantial air resistance and atmospheric interference effectively. Atmospheric pressure in space varies vastly, affecting various objects differently based on their relative size and composition greatly always. Objects in orbit wouldn't stay in their precise orbit. They'd gradually slow down, lose momentum, and crash or unpredictably change paths. Comets and meteors would behave differently, burning up or slowly disintegrating in the atmosphere over time, varying in intensity. The aurora borealis would be visible in space, appearing like a giant, spectacular ethereal light show everywhere. Solar winds would vividly interact with the air, creating a spectacular and breathtaking display of light, an unforgettable cosmic show. The boundary between atmosphere and space would be significantly blurred, challenging traditional definitions and understanding suddenly. Astronomers would need to significantly adjust their observations to fully account for the new medium's complex effects and implications. Telescopes would be significantly affected by the turbulent air, potentially severely distorting or unexpectedly enhancing their views greatly always. Space weather forecasting would become absolutely crucial for global navigation systems and overall safety in various critical industries instantly. The idea of space junk would take on a dramatically new meaning, as debris interacts vigorously with air molecules surrounding Earth. Air-filled space would mean we'd have to dramatically rethink our entire approach to future space exploration and its technological requirements completely. Spacesuits would be designed differently, as the air would provide some pressure, changing the engineering requirements significantly always. The lack of vacuum would simplify numerous complex aspects of space travel, like insulation and thermal management significantly always. But commercializing spaceflight would also introduce complex operational challenges, like efficiently managing increasingly dense air traffic in low Earth orbit. Imagine vividly seeing countless stars twinkling mysteriously through a thick, eerie, foggy atmosphere in deep, surreal space slowly. The cosmic horizon would be shrouded in a thick, misty, airy veil, completely obscuring all distant views and celestial objects entirely. In this intriguing scenario, interstellar travel would be more akin to commercial aviation operations than traditional rocketry launches and space explorations. The entire paradigm of space travel would shift dramatically, with new innovative technologies rapidly emerging and transforming the industry. So, what if space was magically filled with breathable air? It'd be a whole new, vastly unexplored universe to discover and freely explore instantly.